Next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a calendar timer view inside AppKit for a native macOS application. So firstly, so I will show you the output first. So here you can see, and if I want I can just increase it or decrease it, and if the user wants he can type it as well. So 20 level or something. Okay, so whatever he wants to. So yeah, like even if you want you can just select one and press one as well. So this is the default calendar timer view. Like if you want you can just show the date as well. If you want you can just show the time as well. So that option is available. So yeah, let's get started. So here is NH date picker, and I have initialized our NH date picker. Then I'm given some default value, and here you can pick the style which you want. So this is text field and stepper, but if you want clock and calendar you can do that as well. So I will show you that. And here on change I have just created a date picker action. So this will look something like clock and calendar. Okay, so here I can change my time as well, pretty fancy. And here I can change the date as well. So here you can see the date has been printed continuously. And yeah, and here I am just doing some NS layout constraints, and here I am just printing whenever the date has been changed. And there is I think one more style, I guess, just text field. Okay, so if you want you can just keep it as a text field as well. So here there is no stepper icon. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.